High school, a chapter of your life that will ultimately change it forever.
And with a place here for everyone at Palos Verdes High School, we believe that our new tide is the strongest.
Link Crew is a freshman transition program, and it's a way to welcome the incoming freshmen into our Seeking family. By starting off high school with that connection to both your school and some upperclassmen, you're set up for success moving forward.
Your Link Crew leader will always be a resource for you here on campus. But in the moments you need a little extra support, our Wellness Center and Sage therapists are here for you.
My name is Jody. I'm one of the student support specialists here, and our main role on campus is to provide therapy for students who are struggling with all kinds of different mental health concerns. This is a safe place, a place where you can feel welcomed and wanted.
If you choose PV High, you won't only join our Seeking family, but you'll be exposed to fun, engaging, and hands-on classroom experiences.
I'm one of the English 1 honors teachers here at PV High, and I would love to see you in class next year. We have so much good literature to go through together and explore as a class. We read a lot of outside material, look at some TED Talks. We can have a lot of fun in class, but they're also very eager to do well.
Through electives specifically designed for freshmen, you'll get to explore what you're passionate about as well as future career paths, whilst doing so with students that share the same goals as you.
As a freshman, you go through the 5 stages of production, starting with development and ending with distribution. So I take you from idea to putting that idea and taking it and turning it into a film or documentary or whatever you want to do.
At PV High, we are also fortunate enough to offer the Avid Program to incoming freshmen designed to prepare them for college eligibility and success.
Avid is an acronym. It stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. We focus on like 5 different key strategies. So one of those is writing and understanding through writing. Another one is inquiry and research. A third one is collaboration and working together. A fourth one is organization. The last thing is reading, and so learning through reading.
Not only do we offer unique opportunities through our electives, but through our academics also. With a total of 30 advanced placement courses and 20 honors classes, including English 1, Biology 1, Geometry, Algebra 1 and 2 honors, designed specifically for freshmen, you are guaranteed to find something that best suits you.
I'm taking AP World History, Geometry honors, English 1 honors, and Spanish 3 honors.
It really prepares you for the college level workload, and then it just helps with time management and if you want to delve deeper into a subject.
I feel like it gives a good challenge, but I feel like it's not too overwhelming. There's like a balance.
Don't be afraid of the classes. There's like different learning curves for everyone.
PV High ranks as number 17 in California high school athletics and has a wide variety of sports, which seek to build character, work ethic, and integrity.
We offer no-cut sports, including swimming, cross-country, and track for those interested in starting an athletic career during their time as a Seeking.
I chose to play a sport at PV because they're all very inclusive, and I can tell that every single team is like a family. Everyone is very close and we spend a lot of time together, and it's always a positive environment. I would definitely recommend a sport at PV for incoming freshmen. It's a great way to meet people and get involved in school.
If out on the field isn't where you strive, you can join us in one of our 75 unique to PV clubs, ranging from sports, STEM, economy, culture, and charity. But if you can't find one that you enjoy, you can make your own at PV's very own Club Rush. Joining clubs as a freshman is one of the best ways to get involved on campus. There's so many options, so many clubs that give you the chance to help the community and just to get involved, meet new people. And no matter what wave you ride, Red and Black will always have your back. For Palos Verdes High School, I'm Daisy Warner.
And I'm Bo Morbeck, and I hope to see you next year, Seekings.